Sa videong ito ay naglabas ng pahayag ang Korte Suprema. Ito ay hindi pinalabas sa mainstream media. Pakinggan niyong maigi kung sino-sino ang involved. Kaya pala ang dami nilang tinatapon na issue sa mga Duterte. Take note, Korte Suprema ito.
Good afternoon. The Supreme Court en banc during its session today, October 29, 2024, acted on the following matters. The court consolidated the petition filed by One Sambayan Coalition et al. With the cases of Pimentel et al. Versus House of Representatives and Bayan Muna Chairman Nery Colmenares et al. Versus President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos. All three petitions challenged the return of excess reserve funds from government-owned and controlled corporations to the National Treasury to fund unprogrammed appropriations. The Supreme Court issued a temporary restraining order to enjoin the further transfer of PhilHealth funds to the National